Good morning, students. I wish to believe that all are good and well. Dear students, time is very valuable for all the living beings on the earth. Be responsible, move on the time, and be always happy. By saying this, I move on to the third chapter, that is chemical messages for homeostasis. I requesting everyone to watch the video recorded class properly from start to end and note down the important points immediately in your biology notebook itself. I move on to the chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about endocrine system, hormones, target cells, then about 10 endocrine glands. They are pancreas, thyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pineal gland, pituitary gland, then about gonads. Gonad is mainly two type, ovary and testis, then about hypothalamus. Finally, we are going to study about plant hormones, that is called pheromones. Now, one by one, we are going to understand and learn about them. First concept, endocrine system. Endocrine system, an organ system that control and coordinates all activities of the body. So, in our body, endocrine system are working and it is an organ system which is helping to control and coordinate all activities inside the body. It includes endocrine glands and their secretions. You may knowing about glands. Glands are sac-like structure present in the body of living organisms. From these glands, certain secretions taking place. In ninth standard, you would have studied about salivary glands, pancreas and liver. All these are the glands present inside the body, and as well as there are certain glands present outside the body, such as sweat gland, which are secreting sweat. So those glands are exocrine glands, and glands present inside our body is called endocrine glands. What is endocrine glands? Glands present inside our body, such as liver, pancreas, salivary glands, etc. The secretions are the chemical substances called hormones. So, secretions are done by glands, are the chemical substances. These chemical substances are called hormones. So, we can say hormones are chemical messengers that regulate cellular activities. So, what are hormones? They are chemical messengers. So, what is the function of hormones? They regulate cellular activities. What do you mean by cellular activities? Cellular activity means some activities taking place inside the cell of the living organisms. So, we studied endocrine system is an organ system that control and coordinates all the activities of the body. So main function of endocrine system, it control and coordinate all the activities of the body, and this endocrine system include endocrine glands and their secretions. That secretion is called hormones. So endocrine glands secrete something that is called hormones. What is the function of hormones? Hormones regulate cellular activities. So hormones means nothing but hormones are chemical messengers. I hope you understood about endocrine system. So endocrine glands present inside our body. Now you can see the illustration. This is the human body. In human body you can see endocrine system. Endocrine system present inside our body. In brain we can see three glands. What are they? Hypothalamus, pituitary gland and pineal gland. In brain region we can see three glands: hypothalamus, pituitary and pineal gland. Then we are coming to neck region and abdominal region. In case of neck region, you can see thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. In the region of neck, we can see thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. In chest region, we can see thymus gland. In chest region, we can see thymus gland. In stomach region, we can see pancreas. In stomach region, we can see pancreas, and below the stomach, we can see kidney. In top of the kidney, adrenal gland are present. In top of the kidney, adrenal gland are present. In abdominal region, we can see ovary and testes. In the abdominal region, we can see ovary and testes. These are the endocrine glands present in our body. So what are the endocrine glands? Endocrine glands present inside our body. So main endocrine glands we are studying: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, then thyroid and parathyroid gland, then about thymus gland, then pancreas gland, adrenal gland, ovary and testes. So dear students, this is the endocrine glands present in our body. Dear students, look at the table. Table consists of 3 columns: endocrine gland, location and hormones. It is very important. All of you should write this table in your biology notebook. So here we can see endocrine gland. What are the endocrine gland present in our body, and it is a location. And what are the hormones? We know now what is a hormone. Hormones are the secretion produced by the endocrine glands. So each endocrine gland consists of some hormones. This is also very important. So you must write this table in your notebook. So I will read, listen. So endocrine gland, first one, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus present in brain region. Location in the middle of brain and below the thalamus. It secretes 2 hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. Next one is pituitary gland. It present below the hypothalamus. It secretes 3 hormones, somatotropin, trophic hormones and prolactin. Next one is thyroid gland. In the throat, just below the larynx. It secretes 2 hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Next one is parathyroid gland, posterior surface of the thyroid. It secretes 1 hormone, parathormone. Next gland is thymus gland, just below the sternum. It secretes 1 hormone, that is thymosin. Next one is pancreas, in the abdomen below the stomach near to the duodenum. Duodenum is the initial part of small intestine. Pancreas secretes 2 hormones, insulin and glucagon. Next one is ovary. On the either side of uterus, it secretes 2 hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Next one is the testes. In the scrotum, outside the abdominal cavity, it secretes 1 hormone, testosterone. Next endocrine gland, adrenal. Above the kidneys, it is the position of adrenal gland, and it secretes 4 hormones, epinephrine, norepinephrine, cortisol and aldosterone. Next one is the pineal gland. It is seen in the middle of the brain and it secretes 1 hormone, melatonin. So it is very important. So you should write in your notebook itself. I hope you understood basic concept about endocrine system.